Welcome to Nichols Vision. My name is Peter. I'm a car guy. This is 2 Minute Tuesday. This is my friend's S2000. Roll the intro. If you're new to the channel, this is where I find interesting cars and people, and I give them 2 minutes to do a build breakdown. I figure 2 minutes is enough time because people's attention span is very little, so I'm helping you guys out. This week we have Jay's AP2 S2000. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock somewhere and take it away, Jay.
Hey guys, my name is Jay and this is my 2008 Honda S2000. It's a car that I've had for about 5 years now. And in that time, I've built what has become from a daily driver to a car that's capable on the street and the track. Starting with the engine package, from the factory, it's rated about 240 crank with the bolt-ons that I have, such as the header, the cams, the intake, and a few other miscellaneous things, and with a Honda Flash Pro tune. The car makes 257 horsepower at the hubs per Church Automotive Testing dyno with 170 pound-foot of torque. Moving into the suspension of the car, I wanted something that was comfortable yet very capable and adjustable, so I went with AST 5200 two-way coilovers. Those have been dialed in with DOC coated shafts, spherical tops, and have extended reservoir lines so that I could route it in a very user-friendly manner. Wheels and tires, I currently have Titan 7 TD6s. This is a new release for them in the S2000 spec, and they're wrapped in Falcon RT660 Azenis. Braking wise, the front brakes are one of the S2000's weaker spots, so I've upgraded them to StopTech C43 competition brake kits with just stock rotors and calipers in the rear and upgraded pads. Aero-wise, I have a factory CR front lip. This is a Honda OEM item that was developed to develop a little bit more downforce for the car, yet still look pretty sedate and not too wild. On the rear end, I have a Voltex 1S carbon wing that's been half painted with Grand Prix white, and rear bumper wise, I have an ASM 04 rear bumper. Interior wise, I have a Recaro pole position in red. I also have a Momo steering wheel. I'm a bit of a JDM fanboy, so I also have an NSXR horn button and NSXR shift knob. Along with all the other things that I have on this car, I don't have a long list of future plans for the car. Right now, I think it's actually pretty perfect, but what I do want to do is get out to the track a lot more to get more seat time and do some added safety for the car.
Yeah, that was Jay and his AP2 S2000. If there's something that you like about the car, leave a comment below. If there's something that you don't like about the car, I'm pretty sure you're gonna leave it anyway and dislike the video, but whatever. If you like content like this, consider subscribing and also liking it, just sharing it, because it helps the channel grow. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I post content daily, usually a bunch of car stuff or behind the scenes. Again, thank you all for watching, and tune into the next one where I feature I don't know what car, because I don't know what process I'm gonna go in. Peace.